Welcome to the KPIwoven demonstration series. Today we are going to see how the specialized dashboard for risk management can add value to your business. KPIwoven assists in incorporating risk management into the strategy execution framework. International regulations such as Basel III and Basel IV rules have institutionalized risk management for banks. Actuarial societies and COSO have formalized a new discipline of enterprise risk management and promulgated standards for implementing it. Many companies have already established risk management departments led by a C-level chief risk officer to comply with these and other regulations such as Sarbanes-Oxley, as well as to help the enterprise manage its risk exposure. There are three types of business risks: enterprise risk, strategy risk, and operational risk. Level 3, the lowest category, encompasses routine operational and compliance risks. Level 2 represents strategy risk, and Level 1 captures global enterprise risks. Any breakdown in a Level 3 process could expose the company to significant financial and information losses and expensive regulatory as well as litigation procedures. Strategy risk can be easily quantifiable. To manage Level 2 risks, a company should identify the measure plausible risk inherent in the strategy, attempt to mitigate and manage those risks, and then continually monitor the risk exposure it has accepted to earn superior returns. The strategy risks are part of the company's strategy map and have their own scorecard. Level 1 risks are unpredictable, unprecedented occurrences that create existential risk for companies. KPIwoven derives scores for those risks using quantitative as well as qualitative audited data. The quantitative data is typically extracted from numerous log files generated by various information systems. KPIwoven provides specialized user interface for directly entering the audited qualitative data. With this conceptual background, let us get started. Let us sign in as a Chief Risk Officer. Make sure to select appropriate business unit while signing in. The Risk Dashboard is the default homepage of Chief Risk Officer. Select the appropriate business unit and the date in order to see the risk scores. You can further select risk metrics by selecting appropriate functional area and the level of risk. Let us select the risk metrics with risk level operational. The table below displays the risk scores, while the heat chart on the left shows status of each risk metric in the form of a bubble. Select the risk metric in the table in order to see more information about the same. As we can see, the increase in raw material prices in the region for the selected period is due to the increased levy on steel by the government. However, the risk remains under control due to countermeasures well taken care of. Scroll the screen below in order to see the already audited trending information. We can see typical or standard risk mitigation techniques if we click on the link Risk Mitigation Reference. You can assign action item to the person responsible or annotate your views and share. To know more about using these features, refer our KPIwoven demo series of Strategy Visualizer. Now let us see the user interface provided for entering audited qualitative data. We are now signing in with the Business Executives role. Access the menu of Risk Data Management. Select Operational Level Metrics. Select the metric for which the data is to be entered. Select the financial year. Click the button Preview Populate. The adjacent table displays the details about the selected risk metric. For example, this risk has to be audited every month. The table below shows the values entered for the selected risk metric. The audited values cannot be modified since their score is already computed by the system. To enter the data for the new period, click on the Edit button against the appropriate month. Select the appropriate audited values for probability and impact. The risk score reference table on the top right can be referred for the purpose. Make sure to select the audited date. Record the justification for the audited values entered. Click on the Update link. Click on the Save button to update this record in the system. System will compute the score for this metric automatically. Today we have seen the KPIwoven's risk management capabilities. If you wish to know more about the risk management capabilities, look out for our special demo series on our company website. Your specific case, please contact us.